Hey, Sammy, wanna watch a movie? Whoa!
What did you say, Susie? Oh, wow! It looks like a present from Roger. He's so generous. So, what's in there? White sneakers. Roger could have bought something more, well, colorful and interesting.
Apparently he wants us to get creative. Check this out.
Oh, well, in that case, nobody can create a pair of unusual sneakers better than I.
You're right. Let's get started.
Hey, Sue, wait up!
Hi, everyone. Today we're going to customize these white sneakers. I'm so thrilled.
Yeah, shout out to Roger for our craft today.
We'll start with pulling out the shoelaces. Guys, we don't need you just yet.
I wonder, where did they go?
Well, then I'll probably start sketching the design. We need a pencil for this. The left foot sneaker will be the first one. Honestly speaking, I don't have anything in mind. So I guess I'm just gonna go with some doodles, you know?
Susie, you won't believe it. I couldn't find those laces, but I'm sure that this pack of Oreo used to be full. He might have taken my cookies.
Sammy, don't you remember? You opened that pack this morning.
Oh, that makes sense. By the way, what are you drawing?
That's the thing. I don't know. I'm just following my inspiration. But this will be totally something cartoonish. Wanna try?
Sketch whatever I want? Are you kidding me? Of course I do! Thank you! Okay, that's it for now. I need more inspiration.
Guys, I bet Sammy went to the kitchen to find something tasty. Do you agree with me? Then give a thumbs up. Alright, it's time for us to create the design for the right foot sneaker. And the best part is that it doesn't have to be the same as his twin brother. I'll show you my new magic trick. Now we need to give brightness to this nice pair of sneakers. I'll go get my new markers. Stay tuned.
Oh, you tricky shoelaces. I ate a half jar of Nutella. My eye is as sharp as it can be, and I'm gonna find you too. If I wore a shoelace, where would I go?
Okay, I'm back. By the way, guys, did you see Sammy? I thought he'd be helping me today. Anyway, let's start with the right foot sneaker this time. Oh, I love having new markers. I really want to see how this color will look on it. Ooh, the paint spreads really well. That's good. Guys, Sam and I have already customized a few pair of sneakers. You can watch those videos on our channel if you want. We've used paint and crayons, but we've never actually customized shoes with markers.
Aha! And the shoelace have never escaped from us before. Oh, those pranksters.
That's true. Judging by your reaction, no luck in tracing them so far, Sammy.
No, but I'm not willing to give up. Oh, wait a minute. Fluffy loves to play with those. I'll be right back.
Sammy can be quite persistent, especially when it doesn't involve hard work. I like how it's going so far. What do you say, guys? Does this deserve a thumbs up? What should I do about the logo? Oh, I know! Let's make it a gradient from yellow to red.
Wow, Sue, while I was chasing those shoelaces, you did so much without me.
Do you like it, Sammy?
Are you kidding? I love it! Can I try? I really want to paint that little guy.
Oh, sure.
I'm so glad that Roger left these sneakers for you, Susie.
I know, me too, Sammy. Nice job with that skull, by the way.
What else would you expect from the master of decorations? The shoelaces! I see them! Hey, stop you too!
Oh, Sammy, you're impossible. Well, this is the right foot sneaker. What do you say, guys? Doesn't it look awesome?
I must say, that's a great choice of color, Susan. There's only one thing. Clear-cut lines will do a nice trick.
Oh, that's a terrific idea, Sammy. Thank you. By the way, what's up with the laces? Did you catch them already?
I set up a lace trap.
What do you mean? I've never heard of that before.
I put all the laces we have at home in one place. The two from those sneakers will defo want to meet them. And there's when I appear and grab them. Oh, what do you say?
Well, if you're sure about that, it could be worth a try.
Shush! I hear something.
Oh, okay. Guys, I really wonder where he gets all these crazy ideas from. And we're done with the right foot sneak. Oh!
I got one, Susan! His brother managed to escape, though. I must have scared him. Whoa, Sue, now this sneaker looks terrific, but wait a second. You're not gonna leave it with plain white shoelaces, are ya?
Oh, you poor little thing. No, Sammy. I've decided to make the laces as bright as I can. I couldn't pick only one color, so I thought, why should I pick one at all? I want to use all my favorite colors at once! And make the laces look like a rainbow! Cool, huh?
Incredible! Outstanding! Super cool! This defo deserves a lot of thumbs up, people!
There! This guy is beautiful now and ready to lace up this sneaker.
Yay! Another shoelace! Wanna become just as cool? Come here!
Guys, check out this gradient that we got! This is exactly how I imagined it! Awesome!
Susie, why are you just sitting there like that, not painting the left sneaker?
Oh, I finished with the logo and then I suddenly felt like I'm doing something wrong.
What are you talking about? Don't you want to finish this customization?
I want to, but... I know! This shoe has to be different. I mean, not completely, of course, but this time, let's not use colorful markers. Only the black one.
Oh, I see. Somebody went stylish.
As usual, you mean?
Of course.
Sammy.
Sue, I finally found that lace. I want to paint that one myself.
Oh, sure, Sammy.
Thank you.
That little slime missed almost all of our craft today. In the meantime, I'm almost done. Just a tiny bit of magic here. And over here. Perfect. Hey, Sammy, I'm done. What about that lace? Oh!
Sue, that lace just keeps running away from me.
Well, I believe now you can finally stop chasing it. Guys, let's check out what we've got. How comfy and stylish.
Yeah, Sue, these sneakers look really good on ya.
Oh, you think?
Uh-huh. Come on, show them once more. Now let's go outside and watch for people's reactions. I bet you'll get at least 5 amazed looks.
Okay, guys, thanks for being with us today. We'll see you very soon on our channel.
And don't forget to hit the bell button. This way you won't miss our new video. Bye-bye.